Welcome to the virtual classroom with Zoom. This is a platform that's built on Zoom.us, which is a way that we can see each other and talk to each other through the webcam and the computer and interact like we would in the classroom, but we're not going to meet in the classroom. We'll be seeing each other on screen on the computer. I will be able to see you in rows, and you will be able to see each other as well. All the students can see all the students, and I can see all of you. We can talk to each other. I can talk to you. You can talk to each other, just like we would in the classroom, but we're not going to meet in a class. You will meet on your computer. The idea is for you to click the link that I will post before the class. That will be a special number that will be the number for your class for the whole duration of the course. So every time the class is to begin, you're going to click that link and you'll automatically be connected to me and to the other students on this virtual screen. Now, the first time you click on it, it will ask you for a short download that lasts maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then you'll automatically be asked to enter the room. Make sure you click your audio on and your video camera on so I can see you and hear you. And it would be recommended if you had earphones and a mic just to eliminate background noise. If you're in a place where other people are around you, and if they're talking in the background, we would pick that up. If you are wearing earphones, it would be easier, unless, of course, you're in a quiet space. If you're at home, or if you're in a study room, or if you're in an office, I mean, you can be anywhere at all to take the course. We will meet every time there's a class at the class time, and we will spend the duration of that class time together here online with the virtual classroom. We will be able to do the same things we do in the classroom. I will ask you questions, you will answer questions. We will do breakout groups into working on dialogues and you will talk to each other in smaller groups and then present to the bigger class. You will be able to make presentations to the whole group, and I will even be able to record those presentations to give you feedback later on so you can see how you did if you want to. Also, we're able to work on documents together. So instead of writing answers on the board to questions, I post the question page on the screen, and we can take turns answering the questions. From wherever you are, you can answer the questions, then I can save them and send them to everybody at the same time. This is the way education is going. It's recommended that you have a computer with a camera and an audio mic, of course. The computer is the best thing to have because that way you can see the larger screen to read documentation. I'll be playing videos and showing you documents in every class. If you can't be at a computer, you can also use a tablet. Now, with the tablet, you'll only be able to see a reduced number of people, maybe only about 10 people on the screen. And if you're really stuck, say you're away on a trip or you're at the dentist's office and you can't physically get to your computer, you can even join the class through your cell phone, just so you don't miss any work. You will only be able to see a few people on your cell phone, but you can listen to me. You can still answer questions. It might be a little bit harder to read documents on the screen on your cell phone. The preferred method is, of course, a laptop or a computer, but there's no excuse not to miss class. There's no more snow days. Wherever you are, as long as you have internet, you can join and participate in the class. Again, I will also be having virtual office hours. So if you want to talk to me anytime outside of the class, send me a message. All we need to do is click that same link. That's a link just for your class, and we can meet virtually anytime. I have the app on my cell phone as well, Zoom.us. So even if I'm not at a computer, I can still answer you, or we can connect and talk through the video anytime you want. You want to show me some homework you've done? You don't have to come and see me in a physical office. We can look at your homework online together, and I can make corrections and we can talk about it, whatever you need. This is the future of education, and I'm very excited that we'll be able to work in your class with this. And any questions that you have, I can happily answer to you when we begin the course. After a class or two, I'm sure you'll become much more comfortable with the use of the technology, and then you'll wonder why you haven't done this all along. So I look forward to meeting you. Click the link that I will post for your class, and we will see you online.